Here are 5 things you should never tell ChatGPT or any AI chatbot, explained in detail to help you stay safe, responsible, and smart online. Number 1. Personal identifying information. Never share information that can identify you in real life. This includes your full name, home address, phone number, personal email, school name, exact location, or identification numbers. Even details that seem harmless on their own can be combined to figure out who you are. Protecting your identity is especially important for teens, since personal data can be misused for scams, impersonation, or unwanted contact. Number 2. Passwords or login details. You should never give out passwords, PINs, verification codes, or account recovery answers. No trustworthy service, website, or AI tool will ever ask for this information. Sharing login details can result in hacked accounts, lost files, stolen photos, or someone pretending to be you online. Keeping passwords private is one of the most important rules of digital safety. Number 3. Private information about other people. Avoid sharing sensitive or personal details about friends, family members, classmates, or teachers. This includes names, contact details, personal struggles, or private conversations. Even if you trust the platform, other people have a right to privacy and didn't consent to their information being shared. Number 4. Anything you wouldn't want saved or repeated. It's a good idea to assume that anything you type could be stored or reviewed. Don't share secrets, embarrassing moments, emotional messages, or content you wouldn't want read later. If it would make you uncomfortable if a stranger saw it, it's better not to type it. Number 5. Illegal or dangerous plans. Don't discuss plans involving illegal actions, unsafe challenges, or harming yourself or others. ChatGPT cannot help with dangerous activities and is not a replacement for trusted adults, teachers, or professionals when serious issues arise.